How's it going, everyone? I'm Jared from Yoda Expedition. Today I'm going to be showing you how to check and change the cabin air filter on your 3rd gen Tacoma. We're going to be replacing our cabin air filter with this reusable and washable one from K&N. Let's go ahead, get in the truck. I'll show you where to locate your cabin filter and how to remove it. It's pretty easy. All right, guys, so on the 3rd gen Tacoma, this is pretty easy. They've made it very simple for you. All you have to do is open your glove box, remove whatever you got in there so you have some access. In the back of the glove box, there's a piece of plastic. It says slide up and remove. So you're going to slide that up and then lean it out, and it can be easily taken out. Now you're going to see a cover. This is the cover on the filter for the AC and heat. There's a tab on the left and right side that you'll pinch in and pull straight out. And there you have that. Now you have very easy access to the filter, and it just slides straight out. Now our truck only has about 2,000 miles on it, but you could see that some debris does get in there. The filter is pretty clean, but we're going to go ahead and replace it with that K&N filter anyway for a little upgrade. These filters are cheap to replace. K&N is a little more, but you don't ever have to buy another one, so that's really cool. Also, you should note that a dealer will probably charge you around $60 to replace this, and you can see it only took about 30 seconds to remove it. So the more you know, you're going to save a lot of money upgrading to the K&N, especially since you'll never have to buy another one. It's good to just pull this filter out from time to time, even if the filter doesn't need to be replaced. You can clear off all the leaves, pine needles, and all the other things that got on top of here, and if you don't clear those off, it's just going to restrict airflow. It's so quick and easy to do that why wouldn't you just do it? Grab your new K&N filter. From what I could tell, there's no up or down. You'll just slide that right in place. Replace this cover. Make sure both tabs are clicked in place. Now you can replace this cover on the outside. You'll just set that flat at the top and then slide it down to lock it in place. And you're done. So the K&N filter for your Tacoma is going to perform just as well, if not better, than these paper filters, and they're going to last a lifetime as long as you clean them at proper intervals. With the K&N air filter, you're going to get a little bit of a better seal because it does have that rubber gasket around the outside that's holding the filter media together, whereas this paper one doesn't really have anything, and if this filter gets clogged up and the airflow's poor, it's going to draw air around the filter. So if you have 30 seconds of your day to spare and you're ready to ditch the paper filter and upgrade to this K&N cabin filter, we have them available at yodaexpedition.com. The link is down in the description. Thanks for watching.